11 Curious Facts about the Apollo 11 space mission, the first to reach the moon. We show you through these 11 curiosities the less-known side of the first man's first trip to the moon in 1969, that mission manned by Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin and Michael Collins. A titanic effort. Although only 3 men went to the moon and returned, NASA's Apollo program required the expertise of more than 400,000 engineers, technicians and scientists to materialize. Quarantined. As a precautionary measure, Armstrong, Aldrin and Collins had to remain in isolation for 3 weeks after their epic journey to the moon. A message on behalf of mankind. Apart from the American flag, the astronauts left hundreds of objects on the moon, among them a commemorative plaque that read, "Here man from planet Earth set foot on the moon for the first time in July 1969. We came in peace representing all mankind." The excursion to the moon. Armstrong and Aldrin stayed 22 hours on the moon, of which they spent exactly 2 hours and 36 minutes on the surface walking on their own feet. A piece of the moon. During the mission, the astronauts collected approximately 22 kilograms of lunar mineral samples to analyze the composition of our natural satellite on Earth. The mission emblem. Following the tradition established by the Gemini 5 crew, the Apollo 11 crew was tasked with designing the mission patch, which features an eagle with an olive branch in its talons. Autographs in case something went wrong. Before he became world famous, Neil Armstrong could not afford the cost of life insurance. However, he wanted to make sure that his family would be financially solvent if something went wrong. That's why he and his crew signed hundreds of autographs that could be auctioned off in case the mission did not end successfully. Landing limit. By the time Armstrong and Aldrin landed on the moon, the lunar module had less than a minute's worth of fuel for maneuvering. If it had taken them just a few seconds longer to descend, they would have had to abort the mission. Record audience. No one wanted to miss this historic moment. According to estimates, some 600 million people watched man's landing on the moon live on television. A Plan B. The President of the United States, Richard Nixon, had an alternative speech prepared in case the Apollo 11 mission failed. Fortunately, he did not have to use it. The moon smells like gunpowder. Armstrong and Aldrin described the smell of lunar dust as that of wet ashes after a fire. They also referred to it as a gunpowder smell. The explanation may be that the moisture in their suits and the interior of the lunar module may have caused some kind of combustion reaction with the minerals in the moon's regolith.